In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix black screen on Netflix, Hulu, Crunchyroll. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser in which you are using these. Then click on three dots given at the top right. Now select the option settings. Once you're over here, search for use hardware acceleration. Once that option appears, you'll need to disable for that option, then click on the option relaunch. With that, your Chrome browser will restart. Then you can head over to the website like Netflix, Hulu or Crunchyroll. With this, your problem might be fixed, or else what you want to do is clear cache. For that, navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Now, select the time duration, checking for all these options and click on Clear Cache. Then you can restart your Chrome. With these, your problem will be fixed. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.